Welcome to Buildawebs, and in today's video I'll be showing you how users can edit their own comments. So if we go down, we put a comment in, and we hit post. You then get the option within 5 minutes, and you can change the time to click edit and change what it is. So you can just do that and click save. So in the rest of the video I'll show you how you can do this, and I'll also show you how an admin can edit and delete comments. So to allow users to edit their own comments, you need to install a plugin. So go into your WordPress dashboard as the admin and go to plugins and then add new. And then search for simple comment editing. Click install now when you find it. And choose activate. You can then go into the settings. So you can do that by going on the plugins here, or you can hover over settings and click there. It then gives you the option and says within so many minutes the user can edit a comment. So this one is 5 minutes, but you could change it to however you'd like. And then it adds a countdown, which I showed earlier on in the video. And then you can just show how you want it to display. I'll leave it as words. I'll leave that as it is. Click save options. And then when you log in as a user, as I showed earlier, you can put your comment in, and then it has a countdown, and then after that countdown the user can't edit. So click to edit again, and you can save. If you click to edit again, you can also click delete, and then the comment will completely disappear from the page. So I'll show you that. Choose OK. And there it is, it's completely deleted. And then you can add it back in. There it is again, which can be edited. Now I'm going to show you how an admin can edit and delete comments. So if we go back over here and we go into the WordPress dashboard and we go to comments, you'll see that this comment's now appeared. You can then approve it and it'll appear on screen for other users to see. But you can also click on edit and you can change it, and then just click update. And then when we go back over as the user and refresh, you see it changes to example comment. But you could also send it to the trash, and then it goes to the trash folder. And then when you refresh as the user, the comments completely disappeared. So in this video, you've learned how a user can edit the comments by using the simple comment editing plugin, and how an admin can edit and delete comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe for future videos. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.